Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is important command. First is cutout and second is circular cutout. Okay, then both is a cutout command is discussed here one by one. And guys, CATIA lecture 87 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, 2 point is very must point and 2 point is very important point, and this is a very useful command used in CATIA. At first CATIA software, open a CATIA software, and okay, this all command is not active. Okay, at first create a sheet, select XY plane and sketch. Okay, and this is a center rectangle, draw here. Okay, this is a create a sheet and mention any dimension. Dimension is a okay, this is a 160 and this is a 100. Okay, this is a perfect sheet create here. Okay, at first unless this command is unless we are not this command is click here, then other command is not active. Okay, at first click sheet metal parameters, then all command is active. Okay, this is a sheet metal parameters in. Okay, and create a sheet, then okay, a sheet is created here. Okay, and okay, and wall on edge also click here. This is a perfect, and this is also perfect, and this is also perfect. Okay, this is a perfect body, and this is a height is okay, click okay, and all plane is a hide because this design 3D design is looking so nice, and all plane is select here and select a material. Okay, material is use this is a metal. Okay, steel, and a steel is a double click here, and reflexivity is very high, and this is a perfect. Okay, also this is nice. Okay, this is a perfect body here, so nice. Okay, this is a looking so very nice. Okay, okay, apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a so looking nice. Okay, isometric, this is perfect. And okay, this is a click here, and okay, this is a this body is a okay, this is a perfect, so nice. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this body is so nice. Okay, guys, two command is discussed here. First command is cutout, second command is a circular cutout. Okay, at first drawing any face, this is a at first drawing a this face, click here and sketch a any. Okay, this is a ellipse. Okay, this is a ellipse. Okay, and so nice, this is a correct exit. Okay, and this is a cutout, and this point is a here, this is circular cutout, and this is a cutout. Okay, and at first draw a cutout, click here, and this face is select here, and all arrow is inside, then cut this face and arrow is outside, cut outside face. Okay, and this is a correct body is preview is showing here. Okay, and okay, and again double click here, this arrow is outside. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, this is a outside cutting here. Okay, okay, this is a reverse. Okay, so okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a correct, body is inside, this is okay. Okay, and guys next cutting this face. Okay, this face is a cutting here, select a circle, sketch a circle. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and body is a cutout. Okay, this click here and sketch this profile. Okay, selection, this sketching here, arrow is inside, preview is showing here, this is a correct. Okay, this face is also select here. Okay, and cutting here this is a okay, this is a perfect and this is a correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, this is a cut out, definition is pop up, and this is a outside cutting here. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this face is select here, this face is select here and sketch a rectangle, cutting here, center rectangle, and this is a perfect. Okay, and exit, and cutting this face is okay. Okay, this is a sketch, and sketch is this body, arrow is inside, facing include. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also cutting a double click here, and okay, this is sketch. Okay, so nice, isometric view is drawing here. Okay, okay, and second is a circular cutout. Circular cutout is very important, because this is a cutout is very nice, and click here, and this is a cutout. Okay, this click here, this, and size is increase and decrease. Okay, this is a increase and decrease. Okay, this is a preview is showing here, this is a correct. Cut out this, but this whole command is click here, but this is a not cut out. Okay, click. Okay, this is a not cut out, because ये not applicable, but this circular cutout definition dialog box is pop up, and all any this circular and this. Okay, this is a preview, this is a correct. Okay, again cut out this circular. Okay, correct, and again this is a cut out this. Okay, again circular, cut out this. Okay, this is a correct. Circular cutout is very important and very useful command in CATIA. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also this command is not here showing. Okay, because bending cutout, this is not applicable. Okay, circular command is not applicable this. Okay, because not a bending, only bending use this circular cutout is only use a bending face. Okay, circular cutout, this is a bending face, click here, and okay. Okay, this isometric view is preview is showing here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and click here. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, this is a must. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly, Guys, any doubt about this lecture, you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.